In terms of us applying combat theory to real estate, this fund represents us suiting up for war. 4 years of training and preparation and over $65 million in sales has brought us to this very point. Now, we have a significant advantage, and it's time to go on the offensive. But the fact is, we can't win this war alone. Combat is a team effort. Your role in this mission is critical. I want and need you on our side. It's your support and investment that will give us the tools we need to win. So, saying this is a call to action doesn't really do it justice. This is a call to arms. I want you to help us revolutionize military housing and entrench this fund as a household name on every major military installation around the US. With your help, we can accomplish this mission. I have a vision for how the military will use this program to make their living situations 100 times better. Remember the story about the Carlsons moving across the country? Let's go back to the beginning of their story. What if, instead, their story went like this? Matt has just been given a relocation notice to a new duty station across the country. They are headed to Joint Base Lewis McChord in Washington State, except this time, he calls in air support. He heard that Red Dot can make his search for housing way easier. Instead of waiting to get to Washington only to meet the housing dilemma villain, a strategic plan is developed. This plan puts our hero on offense. Matt and his family get approved right away, and they tour homes virtually from North Carolina. Before they even depart on their journey, Red Dot secures a home for them. Do you know what this means? They now have a permanent address to call home. That means no hotel stay, no waiting to get the kids registered for school, no household goods going into storage, and no stress or financial burden. This time, the Carlsons arrived to Washington charged and excited. Red Dot is waiting at their new home with keys in hand. Instead of despair and lost opportunities, they're happy and celebrating. The first story ended in them wondering, wishing that there were a better way to find a home. You want to know what the biggest worry on their mind is now? What's for dinner? They have a bright stay ahead. Just look at those smiling faces. Yes, the monstrous housing dilemma has been defeated thanks to a program that was built just for them. Now, what about the other hundreds of military families just like the Carlsons? What can we do for them? If you're ready to join this operation, I want to dive deeper into all the details of how this fund works and all the force multipliers that allow us to emerge victorious. You'll want to explore our website, reddotincomefund.com, where you'll find a simple to navigate website full of all the important statistics and a handful of short videos that will give you a deeper context into what we're doing here. You'll also find our smart chatbot, which can take you through an interactive journey and get you connected with us here at the Command Center when you're ready. Most of all, I look forward to a one-on-one meeting with you. I'd love to get to know you and collaborate on how we can join forces for the success of our mission. Thank you for watching this presentation. I'll see you soon.